Okay, welcome back to my channel, to the NG Playground. Here we have a GPS handheld. The brand is Garmin and the type is Oregon 650. 650. There are two buttons in the side of it, in the right side of it. The first one is power button, the second one is mark button. And the device using a double battery, A2 battery, double A2 battery, and it has a camera on it and a flash. So here we usually use the GPS handheld. First we power up the device by clicking on the power button. First we need to light up the lamp. Here is how you just need to click the power button and you can decrease or increase your brightness in your GPS handheld. The first thing to do with the GPS handheld is to check whether the satellite is available or not. You can check the menu in the tab of satellite. Click satellite, and then we have how many satellite in our constellation above us. This is our position, sorting, esting. This is our accuracy, GPS accuracy, and we already know where we stand right now. If the satellite accuracy is already 3 meters, it is the best for GPS handheld. So we can use it as we like. Next, we trying to mark our place. First, we open the map. Nah, this is our location in the map. We are in the northwest of Bandung City. We are in here, and our location is actually already given by the position. If the satellite is already given. So how to mark our location? We can use this button, click, and then it's already waypoint mark. We can change its names. The name I change to A1, and the symbol I can change to green flag. This is our location, this is our elevation and depth, and so on. We can save it. It's already marked here. If you notice, there is a blue line in here. This is because I already turned on the tracking lock. So if I move from here, we can get the track location we already go. So that's how you use GPS handheld. Next, I will try to download the data, the tracking data and the marking data. So after we using it in the field, we can download the data and check the data whether it is already saved or not. Here is how. You just simply can put the data cable. This is the old USB. Plug in here. And the other is USB, the default or standard USB, so you can plug it into your laptop or PC. It's automatically it's going to Garmin cable data position, and you can check in the laptop if it's connected yet or not. So if our GPS handheld is already connected with our computer, it will shown here the USB drive. This is the example of it. The first folder is DCIM. This is the folder with photos inside of it, so we can download the photo or copy the photo to our computer. And the other folder is Garmin. This is specific data within in the GPS and health, the GPX folder. This is the track of our journey or our travel log within a day. This is the example of it to 2024 May. 2024 March, 5 March. This is the old data. We can open it also in Garmin Basecamp. If our device is already connected with cable data, we can use Garmin Basecamp, and you can see here in the left, the first library is our folder in our computer. The second is in the device. We are using Oregon 650, and if we click the internal storage, it will show all of the inside the GPS handheld data. So which one we want to see first? For example, our point we take earlier is A1. You can show it. We can open it. This is the position of our marking. This is data created at 14 July 2024, and this is the elevation and the position. Also, we can see many photos here because our GPS handheld has a camera in it. For example, this is the past photo in 29 February 2024 in 10:30 AM. This is the position. So we can analyze our data within the GPS handheld. We can see all of the historical journey our teammate. We try to open the track file 2024. Sorry, the longest one is this is the 14 July. This is today track. The other track is here. We can see the other. Here. This is 2021 27 June. This is the track of 2021 27 June. We can see the track, so we can analyze it. We can understand where have this GPS handheld bring. From here we can see the track, so we can analyze where does the GPS handheld already take the data. So that is how we use GPS handheld in the field and open the file inside of it in the computer using software Garmin Basecamp. Thank you for watching.